In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a clean, professional website inside Mailchimp, even if you've never built one before. First, open your Mailchimp account and look to the left sidebar. Find the website section. This is your starting point for everything related to your site. Pages, design, and settings all live here. Clicking into it brings up the tools you'll use to build and manage your site in one place, so you don't have to jump around the app. Next, select Create Website. This tells Mailchimp you're starting a new site and opens the setup flow. Think of it as the foundation. From here, you'll name your site, choose where it lives on the web, and then start crafting the look and content. Now, enter a website name and choose your domain. If you're just getting started, a Mailchimp subdomain is a quick, free way to put your site online. If you already own a custom domain, you can select it for a more branded, memorable address. Pick something clear and on-brand. Short, readable domains are easier to share and remember. Don't stress if you're not 100% sure yet. You can refine naming and presentation as your brand evolves. You'll then choose a template or start from scratch. Templates give you a professionally designed layout with sensible spacing, typography, and color pairings. They're great for moving fast. Preview a few to see how your content might flow on desktop and mobile. If you prefer total control, starting from scratch lets you build your layout piece by piece. Either way, aim for a structure that highlights your core message and makes navigation obvious for visitors. With your framework set, it's time to edit your website pages and content, text, images, buttons, forms, and more. Replace placeholder text with clear headlines and concise paragraphs that explain who you are and what you offer. Use high-quality, optimized images to keep pages looking sharp and loading quickly. Add buttons with action-oriented labels like Get Started or Contact Us, and place them where decisions happen, such as near product descriptions or service summaries. If you're collecting leads or newsletter signups, drag in a form block and tailor the fields to what you truly need. Simpler forms generally convert better. Adjust navigation so visitors can find key pages easily, and make sure your footer includes essentials like your logo, links, and basic contact details. Throughout, preview your pages on mobile and desktop to ensure spacing, fonts, and images look great everywhere. That's it. You've set up your site space, chosen where it lives, picked your design approach, and crafted the content that brings it to life.